Kasi sa investment naman, kailangan natin doon is time. So there's no such thing. Kumuha ka ng investment today or kumuha ng insurance with investment today, tapos o ng times 3 dun sa investment mo, makikita mo yung fund value mo, oh wow, biglang super laki, hindi ganun. So, yun dapat yung isa nating maintindihan. Kasi madaming nagtatanong din sa akin, for example, or kaya mga clients na tinitingnan nila yung fund value kung nalagpasan na ba agad. 2 years pa lang to kung nalagpasan na ba agad ng fund value yung naihulog nila. So, hindi siya ganun kabilis. So, just like any investment, yung growth, potential growth nun, takes time.
Yep. So, ibig sabihin, so yun yung 2 reason bakit yung total na binayad mo tsaka yung fund value mo hindi parehas. Number 1 is the insurance charges. The first 2 years, heavy siya. Number 2, yung investment natin, hindi siya magic, biglang lalaki. So it takes time. So time is our greatest ally or our greatest enemy in terms of investment. Pag mas maaga ka nag-invest, pag mas matagal ka nag-invest, mas makakita ka ng magandang returns.